किचन एंड व्लॉग्स। तो आज मैं फिर से चली आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इजी रेसिपी लेके, जो कि मेरे जैसे टीनेजर्स और बिगिनर्स भी कर सकते हैं, और ये हेल्दी रेसिपी भी है। तो आज मैं बनाने वाली हूँ ऑरेंज जूस, which is fairly simple. To make the orange juice, I'll be using this Kenwood Citrus Juice Press, and I'll just tell you a bit about the product. So it comes in basically 3 parts, which is the top, then you have the container, and then the machine itself. If you want to buy it in an online platform, the prices vary from around INR 1500 to 2500, which is roughly around US dollars 20 to $22. We have been using this machine for the past couple of years, and this is a pretty sturdy model, and it's pretty easy to use. It is very easy to clean as well, because all the parts get separated, so it's very easy to clean. So enough talks right here, let's start making the orange juice. So first thing we'll do is cut the oranges. Now we need a sturdy hand to cut this. Each orange will give you around 80 ml of juice, because these are smaller oranges. If you go for bigger oranges, they give you around 100 ml of juice. So we are taking around 12 to 13 oranges over here. Done with cutting the oranges, and now I'll just take these parts out so that I can give ice inside. So first I'll start by giving ice, and I'm not giving any water because we want to make sure it's pure pulp, so I'm just using ice. So I'm going to be mixing everything in this jar itself, because I don't want to do it like separate glasses and then mix, because that's too much hassle, and this is much easier. I'm giving only 3 because our ice cubes are really big. You can give more. So now I'll be giving chaat masala. I'll be giving half teaspoon chaat masala, and you can it's upon you how much you want to give in this. So honey also can be given by your own taste. So instead of honey, you can give sugar as well. So we're done with that. So now we'll put the machine back together, and so this is the place where you need to put your oranges. So we'll start by doing it like this. Make sure you have a firm grip on the oranges. One more good thing about this is that you don't need to take the seeds out. There's a filter which takes the seeds out for you. You can give sugar as well in this juice, but then I won't recommend giving sugar, because by giving sugar you're making this healthy drink into more of an unhealthy drink. And if you've noticed, in all of our juice videos, we normally don't give sugar. So this is how it's supposed to look after you take out all the juice. So you need to make sure that you take out all the seeds and the residual pulp, so that this part does not get choked or blocked. And as you can see, there are measurements given here, and we can see that we have made around over 800 ml of juice. Now we'll take this out. Now we will take a spoon and mix the honey and the chaat masala that we had put earlier. So you can easily take this out like this, and your motor can be kept aside, and this can be cleaned and washed and everything. So my juice is ready for serving, so I'll get a glass and pour it out. This looks very nice. So the rest, what I'm going to be doing is covering it with this, and I'll go keep it in the fridge. So even storing it is very easy. As you can see, it came out very easily, and overall it's a very good product. Let me taste my orange juice and let's see. It's sweet, it's nice. So my oranges I think were really sweet, so it's really good. It has a very nice feel to it. It's pure pulp, so it tastes really good. So that's it for today, everyone. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to 80s Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.